Fireworks in the dark. Everybody got a story. Everybody got a spark. Fireworks in the dark. Fireworks in the dark. Tonight we're all together. Fireworks in the dark. Yeah, yeah. The city look different when the sun goes down. Strangers turning, neighbors all around. Somebody brought food for people they don't know. Somebody grandma got the whole porch laughing. A little bit messy, a little bit loud. A million different people, one crowd for a couple of hours. All the lines disappear, and everybody looking at the same sky here. I used to think freedom was something you arrived at, like a place, like a finish line. But maybe it's more like a summer night. Maybe it's music carrying down the block. Maybe it's laughing with people who grew up different than you. Maybe it's being able to imagine a bigger life and helping somebody else